Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. After completing these levels, you will understand the basic game mechanism. Now, once you start playing, you may notice that you will receive various notifications on your phone. If you wish to turn this off, simply tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings page. From here, just tap on the notifications toggle button, which will now turn off notifications from this game on your device. Now you can go back to enjoying your game, and now you will not receive any more notifications on your device from this game. And you can go back to this menu at any time if you wish to re-enable it once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.